Check out the displays with me. Wonder Woman. Smells so good. It smells like candy. Mrs. Claus's tailor shop. There she is, getting ready for Christmas. Oh, who's over there in the corner? Some elves. An elf getting his suit tailored. Mrs. Claus did it up. Caribbean Christmas.
I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Very Merry Christmas time. Give a little love on Christmas Day.
Yeah, the bake shop. Children are making some cupcakes and breads and cookies. Tree. Oh, that looks good. Yum. I should have showed you these drinks they were drinking. Oh, somebody's upset. It's kind of fun. It's like a winter wonderland. Oh, there goes baby Jesus. With the frankincense and myrrh. Walk the path of trees. Trying to get people in the shop. The Grinch. I gotta go walk through the tree right quick. Hold on. I'm just gonna go. Nobody get in my way.
Look at this, Jamie.
Come on.
The frog one's my favorite. Caribbean Christmas.